How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Did you have your breakfast? No? Okay, take your breakfast. Today I am going to teach you on the topic my clothes and accessories, which is in your picture book. So let's start. Shirt. Everyone wears shirt. You also wear shirt, right? Boys wear shirt and girls wear frock or tops, right? This is shirt. Belt and goggles. Whenever you wear the pant, it is girl or boy, doesn't matter. But they also wear with it belt and goggles. Most of the people wear goggles. Big people wear goggles when they go outside in sunny weather or to look cool. Shoes. Your father wears shoes, right? Even you small children wear shoes, right? Yes, shoes. Sandals. Even you wear sandals when you go for any party or anywhere nearby, right? Yes. Wallet, handbag. Your mummy might take handbag, right? In her hand. Okay, your mummy's handbag is of red color. Okay. And wallet. If with your father, he might have wallet with him, right? In which there is money kept, cards kept. Yes. Okay. Cap. You all might wear cap, right? In sunny weather because due to sunlight, right? And socks. Whenever you come to school, you might wear socks with the shoes. Yes? Correct, no? Okay. Which color of socks do you have? White. Okay. Trousers. Your father might wear trouser when he goes to office. Trouser, formal pant. Everyone wear jeans pant. Ladies, gents, girls, boys, everyone wear. That is the common pant. Sweater. When the winter season arrives, you feel cold, right? So you should wear sweater, gloves to protect yourself. Frock. Most of the girls wear frock, right? They look very beautiful in the frock. Skirt. All girls wear skirt also. Boys do not wear, only girls wear skirt. Shorts. Shorts has been worn by everyone. It can be worn by girl, boy, anyone. It is common. Let's see the spellings. Shirt. Repeat with me. Shirt. 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 Belt. 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 Goggles. GOOGLES. Goggles. Shoes. 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 Repeat with me. Sandals. 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 Handbag, which we call as purse. Handbag. 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 Repeat with me. Wallet. 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 Cap. 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 Shocks. SHOCKS, shocks. Trousers, TROUSERS, trousers. Jeans pant, repeat with me, jeans pant. JEANS PANT, jeans pant. Repeat, sweater, SWEATER, sweater. Repeat with me, frock, FROCK, frock. Skirt, SKIRT, skirt. Shorts, SHORTS, shorts.